Okay, so you've signed in to your BRCVR account. Now from the title page, you want to navigate to Main Menu. Here you'll see the feature called Festivals. When you click on this button, it will take you to a window showing all festivals which are currently active. We're going to go into BRCVR 2021, an official virtual Burning Man experience. When you click on that info button, it takes you immediately into the info tab for this BRCVR 2021 experience. This gives you a brief description and also gives you quick links to the hubs where you can find many different portals to explore different worlds. This also takes you quickly into the zones where you can explore large spaces of BRCVR Playa art. So it's a wonderful way to go on some good playa wanders. The next tab under the Festivals feature is for events. This shows you currently open, spotlighted, and upcoming events all throughout the week, 24 hours a day, for BRCVR's Virtual Burn in 2021. You can quickly show that you are interested in an event by hovering over it and clicking on the star. You can also click the little I button to go in and get more information about the event, including how to share the event by copying the event code or copying the link. So this is a quick way to see what's happening currently and also to bookmark upcoming events that you might be interested in attending. The third tab currently inside of the Festivals feature is for BRCVR Worlds. This is going to give you links to all the worlds that are inside of the BRCVR Virtual Burn in 2021. You can go here, and if you hover over the world, you can either quickly enter the world or click that little I and it takes you in for more information about the world. And here you can favorite if you want to add it to your list of favorites. You can also click the More button, and this lets you share the world by either copying the event code or copying the link to take you directly back to this world's page.